An Ohio man is set to be sentenced on December 13th with a maximum penalty of a decade for his role in a West Virginia money laundering case. Jack Paskin pled guilty on August 21st for crimes out of Wyoming County. The U.S. Attorney's Office of the Southern District of West Virginia revealing in court documents that Paskin facilitated the shipment of wholesale quantities of marijuana to Mullins, West Virginia in or around the summer of 2019 until about August 31st of 2020. Paskin admitted that the shipments were directed to addresses provided by co-defendant Merrick Rice, who did plead guilty on May 7th.